It was a lovely day on the Isle of Sodor. The air was crisp, and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
Thomas, I've given you a much-needed tune-up, my friend,
Said Sir Topham Hatt.
Oh boy, thanks!
Now, as soon as I put your brakes back in, you'll be as good as new.
Wait, why am I rolling? Am I moving or the trees moving? What'd you say about my brakes? You took out my what? Holy cow, I can't stop!
Clearly, this is why I don't have real friends.
Go for the train.
Screamed Thomas, and indeed, he did not.
All right, talk to me. Well, it seems Thomas is out of control and we can't stop him.
Why can't I stop? This is Harold the helicopter. How can I help you?
Asked Harold.
Harold, this is Control. I need you to shoot at Thomas and derail him from the track.
Shoot at Thomas? Why, I couldn't. Thomas is my friend.
Well, your friend is about to crash headfirst into a nearby town. This is why I never work with talking machines. Well, it's like they say, never send a smiley helicopter to do an action star's work. Nobody says that. What's his cargo? Pardon? Thomas, his cargo. What's he carrying? Oh, nothing too dangerous. Pillows, soft cheeses, a nuclear bomb. A nuclear bomb? And soft cheeses? Sheesh, were you even listening? All right, come on. I've got a train to catch. Oh, that's just terrible.
I like this scene, McQueen.
See, Mater? It's good to travel the
Go
world.
for the train.
I'm sorry about that. I'm unstoppable. It's a medical condition.
I got a partner with him? I told you, I work alone.
I like you.
Look, nobody knows the rails better than Percy.
Fine. Just try to keep up, Junior.
You're a nice man.
What's that crazy chopper doing? Doesn't he know if he hits that bomb, we're doomed?
I like clouds.
Yeah, ain't that the truth? You know, you and I aren't so different after all. I see Thomas. Step on it. Thomas, we're coming!
Hurry! Oh, thank goodness! If you hadn't stopped me, I would have crushed the little town of Strawberry Shortcake!
And nobody regretted any of their choices. The end.